Okay, so here's Mark Serrazano, howtotunepianos.com with tip number 4 for online music teachers. Why does this keep coming up? Let's close it. All right, new document. Just as before, you're going to click that, show the full slide so we can see it. And you can put all of these shapes in here. With these shapes, you can change their size, change their color. This shape is an interesting one. You can grab that green thing and change what it looks like to a square, from a square to that shape. All of these shapes, you can change their size. There's that green thing. When you click that green thing, it changes. This is an interesting shape here. Change its size. And it has, when you press the shift key, it keeps it as a symmetrical shape. But if you let go of the shift key, then you can make it do any of that. And then when you grab these green things, see what's happening here? More and more of these points. Then there's another green thing there that you can change. So that's that shape. Most of these have similar kinds of things where the green shape is, the green dot causes different changes to the shape. Now all of these shapes, all elements, text, everything, you can change and rotate it like this. You can type in a number or you can just grab this thing and rotate it. The lines, you can select a line, change its size by going into style, make it thicker, change what it looks like, change its color, and also add shapes to the ends. A square on that side and maybe an arrow on that side. And then move it around. Another shape here is this line here, which is exactly what it looks like. You grab that green thing and you can do that with it. But the coolest line is this one. You just keep tapping all the way through. And when you're finished, double click. Now you can tap on these squares and it will change it from an abrupt turn to a curved turn with a double click. Also, anywhere between these two red circles, you can add another circle by grabbing it. Another cool thing you can do with all of these, every one of these shapes, is go and change the fill. So it could be a color, or it could be a gradient where there's two colors. You can change the angle of the gradient. You can put an image in there. Just grab an image, either a tile, one of these tiles, one of these images it has, or you can grab any one of your pictures you might have. So that's how you can fill, and I'll just show you that with this tool you can make any kind of shape you want, right? And then finish it. Now you've got this shape which has a choice to fill it. You can fill this shape. Every single one of these elements, you can have a line. You can change the line. You can change what the line looks like. You can change the size, change the color. So you can make some nice, for your courses, you could make a nice sheet that looks inviting or advertises your school or whatever. Your imagination is the limit to what you can do with this. And so that's that. I'm going to leave it with that. That's elements and using Keynote. And later on in a next text, I'm going to show you another next tip. I'm going to show you how you can share your screen so you can use this tool to write and give instructions and make points about topics that you're teaching, and the student can see it.